Hi, I'm Ken Chick, and I'd like to welcome you to this iMarketsLive company overview. For your benefit, you're going to want to watch this video to the very end because I reveal a realistic but explosive wealth building strategy that I can guarantee you've never seen before, and it will help you reach your dreams and your goals quicker than you ever thought possible. In this video, we're going to cover 4 important things. Number 1, we're going to talk about a $5 trillion a day industry and how you, with absolutely no experience, could tap into this industry and start creating a passive income for yourself and your family. We're also going to talk about the strength of our company and our company leadership. We're also going to explain to you our product, which is a fully automated trade signal service in the FOREX trading market. It's reasonably priced, so the average person can actually begin to create something beautiful for themselves and their family. You're going to see that as well. And the 4th thing is we're going to talk about our 100% check match compensation plan for those of you that would like to become affiliates with our company. I don't know if you recognize the man behind me, but that's Warren Buffett. He is one of the wealthiest men in the world. About 23 years ago or so, I purchased a Forbes 400 magazine from the bookstore. He was on the front cover because that year he had surpassed Bill Gates for becoming the wealthiest man in America. Now, as I was reading the article, he said something that stood out to me. Warren Buffett said this. He said, "Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world, and it's what he built his empire on." His office at that time and still today was considered the most profitable piece of real estate in the world. It's only the size of a half of a tennis court. And him and 2 other people still work out of that office. Isn't that amazing? Now, I have a friend who also worked as a financier in the Chicago Business District. He went to the Wharton School of Business and became an owner of several banks and owner of large manufacturing companies. And we were having lunch about maybe 8 months ago and just discussing different strategies. And he looked at me and he said, "Ken, the money is in money." And what he was talking about was the Forex market. The Forex market is the largest market in the world and towers over every other market. It does $5 trillion a day. And what the Forex is, it stands for foreign exchange, and it's where currency worldwide is traded on a daily basis. The second largest market is the New York Stock Exchange. It does a mere $22.4 billion a day, which is still humongous, but it pales in comparison to the Forex market. And that is where our company is really honing in on and helping people in 129 countries today turn the money that they would not be making anything on in their savings account, turning that money into a passive income form. Now, I took a day trading course several years back, and it was a great course. It was about a three-day course. I think I paid $1,500 for the course. And our instructor was a young guy, probably in his early 30s. And he told us that he had worked 2 full-time jobs to build up his trading account. It's like an E-Trade or Scottrade. I can't remember which one he was using at the time. But he was building that account up and learning how to master the skill of trading. And in that account, his goal was to get to $1 million a day because through learning the skill of trading, he had come to a place that his mentors had taught him how to earn about 3% a month. That's 36% a year. But once he had $1 million in the account, his goal was to retire because 3% of $1 million is $30,000 a month he would be making. Now, fast forward this about 2, maybe 3 years, and he's now the instructor of the class I was taking. He opened up that same account to us. It now had $3 million in that account. He was still earning 3%, but now he was earning $90,000 a month. And he told us that he lived in one of the nicest neighborhoods in his community, that his neighbors had no idea when he first moved in what he did because he didn't go to work like all the other dads in the neighborhood. He'd come out in his pajamas and get his mail in the morning, and they thought maybe he was in the mafia. But his trading skill and his ability to learn that industry created wealth for him and his family. With iMarketsLive, you never have to worry about becoming a day trader. As a matter of fact, you open up an account that is your own account, and the software that they've developed connects directly to your account. And you can open up an account with one of the recommended brokers for as little as $50. Now, it's similar to an E-Trade or a Scottrade, so it's your own money. And instead of your money sitting in a savings account that you're getting 0.005% a year, you can actually turn that money into something that's producing a passive income for yourself and your family. But again, you're in control of that. That's not something that some other company has your money and you're at their mercy whether or not they're going to pay you. It's in your brokerage firm, and you can move that money in and out at your will. Now, our company CEO and founder is Mr. Christopher Terry. Now, he comes with a tremendous amount of accolades. He's been a successful trader, trading accounts of up to $50 million for over 20 years. He's been published in over a dozen magazines. He's been the featured speaker for 15 years in the Trade Expo in both New York City and Las Vegas. He's been featured on Bloomberg Radio, and the list goes on. Now, he's also surrounded himself with a team of superstars that accumulatively have over 100 years in the industry. And together, these guys combined have put together something incredible for us. Now, the beauty about this is you don't have to know how to trade. You could come into this with absolutely no experience. And the reason is because they have set up a system, a mirroring software system, that it's a plug-and-play system that all you need to do is plug it in and walk away from it, and it mirrors Mr. Terry's trades and also another trader that they have. Now, the next page I'm going to show you is his actual trades over a one-year period. You'll see here he made over 5% a month for a total of over 60% for this year, and this was just this year. And we had a rough year this year. Now, if you remember, my trading instructor said the goal was to make 3%. If you're a good trader, you'll make 3%. Well, Mr. Terry has made over 5% over the last year every month. Now, he just brought on another master trader who we have the choice who we would like to choose, but this new master trader he brought in did 130% over the last 9 months. So these guys are very well versed, and again, we don't have to have any experience. Now, you have to remember that our product here is an actual software, and the software plugs into your computer. You don't send them money, you don't wire them money, you open up your own account with your own brokerage firm, and the software will trade. Once you plug it in and it's connected to their trading platform, the software mirrors whatever master trader you have chosen. Now, this is incredible because, again, this is our product. The program is very simple. Once you plug and play, it hooks right up to the master trader's account that you decide that you want to use. You can choose the risk level that you want, anywhere from 1% to 9%. And the particular account that you're looking at here with Mr. Terry, that was actually set at a 1 to 3% risk level. If it was set at a 7 to 9% risk level, that account, the same account, would have made 180% last year. So you can see the potential that's here. And when you start to understand the power of compounding, you can understand how you can create wealth with just our product alone. If you don't want to recruit a single person, you can create wealth with our product alone. Now, what we have been talking to you about here is the gold product, the gold program. There is another program. It's a platinum program. It's not that much more than the gold, and you're not going to be high pressured to purchase it. You might want to take a look at it, but the gold package comes with a live trading room, live trading webinars and classes, a video library that teaches trade secrets. Also, the video library has anywhere from beginner to advanced courses. You also get the FX Signals Trade Signal Service that we just talked about. And then you can also become an affiliate with this program. The price is very good. It's only $195. I paid $1,500 for my 3-day trading school, and I went home and lost a lot of money. This is only $195. And again, if you've looked at online, this is very, very, very reasonable for our product. It's incredible. This is an incredible price point, and I don't want to harp on it, but it truly is. And it's $95 a month after that. And if you want to become an independent business builder like myself and thousands around the world, it's only $5 additional, and that's it. And we're going to show you also right now how you can get that 95 monthly lease for the service. You can get it reimbursed every month, so it'll be a free service for you. So how our affiliate program works is very simple. You bring in one person and the company's going to pay you $100. You bring in two more, they're going to pay you $100 every time. So now you've got $300 in your pocket. It only cost you $200 to come into the business. You've got an extra $100 now. You can take your wife out to dinner or your loved one, whoever. Now, how long do you think it would take you to do this? Now, don't worry, because we're going to help you. I actually created this video so I can do the heavy lifting for you. You won't even have to explain it to them. All you need to do is send this video out to 10 people, and I can almost guarantee you 3 of them are going to sign up immediately. It's this good. I'm not saying my video is that good. I'm saying the product is that good. So how long do you think it would take you? Well, let's say it took you up to 2 weeks to do that, and then you help your 3 people take 2 weeks to bring in 3 people themselves. In 4 weeks, you would have 9 people on your team, plus the 3 that you brought in. You would have a total of 12 people on your team. Now, this is a 3x8 matrix, and if you help your team continue to duplicate like this, in 16 weeks, you're going to have 9,840 people on your team in just 16 weeks. Now, we know this isn't a perfect world, and it probably isn't going to work like this perfectly, but if everyone will work together as a team, everyone is 16 weeks away from this. Now, the company pays 4% for 8 levels of that $95 a month, which totals 380 pennies, which totals $3.80. That totals out, if you multiply 9,840 by $3.80, that equals $37,392 every month that's coming in. And what did you do? You found something incredible. You shared it with 3 of your closest friends. They shared it with 3 of their closest friends. And in 16 weeks, if everyone does that, in 2 weeks, in 16 weeks, you're making $37,392. Now, there's something that's even more powerful than what I just explained to you in this compensation plan. It's called our 100% check match bonus. That means the 3 people that you personally brought in, the company is going to pay you whatever they make in their matrix every month. So let's say those 3, like we said, were doing the same thing that you were doing. Then that means in 2 weeks from the date you started earning $37,000 a month, they're going to start earning $37,000 a month. Now you multiply that by 4 people because of your 37 and the 3 that you just brought in 18 weeks, you're making $149,000 a month. Now this is so powerful, people, because you're not limited to 3 people. You could bring in 10 people, you could bring in 100 people, and the company is going to match whatever they're doing every single month. Your goal is to be the leader and to set the example for your team. And don't stop no matter what others on your team do. You just set the pace and your team will follow. Now here's the beauty of this whole compensation plan. Let's say you're making 1/10 of that this works, and in 18 weeks you're making $15,000 a month. That's $180,000 a year, by the way. Now, we're not making any income claims here because all results are based upon individual effort. But if we will work very diligently as a team, first to get a free membership by introducing 3 people and then helping those 3 people do the same thing their first 2 weeks, the potential with this comp plan is unlimited. Now, remember my instructor in the trading class. He worked 2 full-time jobs for several years so that he could build his account up to $1 million. That's a strategy. And we've got a strategy here that is second to none with iMarketsLive. You could take your profit from the affiliate program and you can put it into your trading account, and you could do this over and over and over again So the result will be that we won't have to work several years, 2 full-time jobs like my instructor did, and we'll end up with the same results. Now I want to encourage you, get with the person that invited you to watch this video as quickly as possible. Join, don't hesitate. He who hesitates loses every time. Sign up, it's only $200. Get your free membership. Send this video out to as many people as you can and watch what happens. And then help them do the exact same thing. You know, financial freedom truly is just ahead. Follow the pattern that we set, and you're going to see results just like we're seeing them. I can't wait to meet you on the other side. One day we're all going to be down in the Bahamas together, having a great time, reminiscing on how difficult it might have been at the beginning, but that we all arrived. And we are all going to arrive. You have a great day, and I hope to meet you soon. God bless you.